Hey everyone, welcome back to Code of the Row. In this video, we're going to be doing some Ascent Combat Framework plugin work. So basically, what I want to get into is if you are going to be working with Ascent Combat Framework on multiple projects, you need to make sure that you actually just have a plugins folder that you'll edit because you don't want anything in your project itself to be editing from the engine folder. If you edit anything in this engine folder, it will go through every single project that you work in and it could mess things up. So for example, when you start an ACF project, you might want to reconfigure the bow and arrow, for example, and it looks fine on this, but maybe not on your mesh. So instead of just going over to the skeleton of this character, it'll affect every single one, assuming you're using the retargeter. So for example, if I go to my ACF Ultimate character, open this up, just look for a skeletal mesh under, and I go over to this mannequin, you'll see that it's using my engine folder, and we don't want that. If I were to change the ACF UE5 Manny in my engine folder, engine and then plugins, and I double click to open, any change I make here will be added to all my projects, and that could mess things up in the long run. So what you want to do is just copy paste your folder, your ACF folder, into whatever project you're working on, just so it's different every single time. So for this project, I'm just going to go over to my content folder and right click and hit show in Explorer just to open up that folder so I can see where the project is. And now I'm going to go back to the root of this folder, which is right here. And now you're going to see that there is no plugins folder, so we actually need to create that. But I also need to find in my local disk C or wherever you have your Unreal Engine downloaded into that plugins folder to see the engine version / plugins folder in order to just copy paste it in here. So I'll go to my local disk C and then my program files, and then I'll look for Epic Games, go to my Unreal Engine version. So this one's going to be for 5.4. Go to engine, and then there will be plugins. And now you'll scroll down and you'll see a folder called Marketplace. And in here, I'll see my Ascent Combat Framework Ultimate set. So I'm just going to copy these, right click into my project folder in the root, hit new, create this folder called plugins, make sure it has an S at the end, double click to open this up, and I'm just going to paste these three in. And now that it's copy pasted in, I can just close this. I can close my Epic Games folder, and I'll just go back to ACF Ultimate, and I'm actually going to close this project. So I'll just exit out of here, and I'm just going to right click on this, click show more options, generate Visual Studio project files. I just want to recompile it. And now I'll just double click to open that up once it's done. And now when I go back to my ultimate character, open this up and look for that skeleton, you're going to see that when I hit this find in content browser, it's only going to reference my plugins folder over here, and that will automatically show up. And you'll see that before it was actually referencing the engine / plugins, but now it's just going to reference the plugins folder, and any changes I make in here will only affect this project itself. And that's something everyone should be doing when working with Ascent Combat Framework, especially if you're going to be doing multiple projects. Thanks for watching Code of the Row. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.